obviously this hailstorm is worse than the last one. Hit Wiley right before I got home. Cracked the window back there. I don't know how bad these other cars are getting beat up, or Stacy's car is, but this Renault's trashed. It's got broken windshield, broken window. You can see this. This is like, I don't know, it's softball size hail. It's pretty huge. Never seen anything like this. Just praying. Hopefully everyone's safe.